I don't know if you can hear the sound. There's so many birds outside. Yeah, good afternoon, guys. It is now 6:36 in the afternoon. Today I work from 6 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, when I finish my duty, I come straight here at home and do some editing. Today I'm going to show you the things that I regret buying. Yeah, let us start here in the room. So as you can see, this is my cabinet. It's a whole, what do you call, whole mirror cabinet. Yeah, I will show you some of the clothes I have here. My jacket, my uniform, they are all here in this side. Yeah, and yeah, this basically is like, my stuff, my things. These are some of my documents, things that I don't need, that I'm not using, like this perfume and deodorant. These are basically a gift, but I don't like this, not good. And I'm keeping some of the receipt because for warranty. And this one, I don't like this. This one is a Beats. I bought it from Apple. Yeah, this is a wireless headset. Yeah, expensive, $100+, and I don't like, because once I put it in my ear, I don't hear the sound outside, and I like the sound, and I like listening music that I also hear the sound from the outside. Yeah, so this one is not like that. I don't like this, so I regret buying this one. Not good and expensive. At least for me, not good for me. Maybe for others are good. Yeah. And this microphone, iRig mic. I bought it in Dubai. I was still in Dubai when I bought this, and yeah, because when I was in Dubai, I'm making like a music video, like MTV. Yeah, I'm doing that, and I really enjoy. If you check my previous video, you're going to see that. Yeah, I'm always singing, but music is not for me. Yeah, so basically this is a microphone that you can attach to your iPhone. That is why it comes with this. Yeah, this is microphone for iPhone. Yeah, and this camera, this is the HD 1080p Curious. This is basically the SJ4000 that I am using for making video. Yeah, this is like GoPro. Yeah, I bought it maybe around 100 dirhams, 200 dirhams. I forget. Yeah, this good quality also. And yeah, some of the stuff. This one, another thing that I regret buying. This is $200. This is basically a stabilizer for sports camera, for GoPro, for this camera. Yeah, this is a stabilizer, but it is very bulky and not really functioning very well, so I don't like this. Yeah, I try to sell online, but nobody likes it. Yeah, and this one is very useful. I like it, but this is a connector for iPad. Basically, if you have SD card or mini SD card, you can connect that to iPad and transfer the pictures or video and edit it in the iPad. Yeah, works very well. And I have some of the things here that are accessories of my GoPro. I put it here, scattered all over here because it's easy to access. Yeah, also my drone is here, but I am not using drone because when I check online, it is not allowed to fly drone in this area. Yeah, basically there's nothing in my room, in my bed, nothing. Yeah, this is my, nothing. This I'm not using the alarm. I am using my telephone, my iPhone, for the alarm. And here in the toilet, what I have here, nothing much. Yeah, this perfume long time ago, maybe it's more than a year already, and it's very less now. Yeah, and yeah, deodorant. I am now using a sunblock. Yeah, because Mr. Spencer told me to use sunblock to protect the skin. If you notice, my skin is already like this. Yeah, sunburn. Here is white, the body is white, but the hand is black. Yeah, mate. Yeah, what else I have here? Yeah, I bought this nose for strip. I've noticed that I have a lot of black heads, white heads. Yeah, mate. Nothing. There's nothing much in my toilet. Shower. It's getting dirty again. Yeah, I need to clean again. Yeah. And here, what I have here. Yeah, I may be not using this, but things like this is important. It is always important that you have tools in case of emergency. You have something to use. Yeah. And I keep all the boxes of the things that I have, like this, that. My bag, my big bag, cleaning materials. Yeah, this. Look at this. For non-Filipino, maybe they don't know what is this, but this one is basically to sweep the floor, to clean the floor. Very useful. I like it more than the modern sweeper. What is modern sweeper? Yeah, I have a skateboard. I sometimes play skateboard. When I was in Dubai, I'm using skateboard. Nice. This one, I regret buying this. Not really, because this one is I used this one time before when my bike is still the regular push bike, and when I go to grocery I use this. But these days I go to the grocery with my bike, electric bike, and easy. Yeah. And this one, I like this also. This is a vacuum cleaner machine. Yeah, instead of using the dustpan, this is the one that I'm using. I like that. Very useful. Nice. And so this bed, basically this bed is just here for nothing, and most of the time I just usually put there my things, and just like this, when I arrive I put this thing here, and this, yeah, this is Google because I'm planning to do snorkeling. Yeah, I bought it $12 from Kmart. And this one is not really useful because if I connect this to my GoPro Hero, sometimes there is no audio, so not good. That is why I don't like anymore my GoPro Hero 5. Yeah, so just here. And this, I bought this for something maybe I will use next time sometime. And this, I bought it from Sydney, Chinatown. Yeah, this useful because sometimes I put this in my bike to attach the GoPro, where I can put it in the anywhere I want. Nice. And of course this one, this jumping rope for exercise, workout to lose the belly. Yeah. What else? This one also. So this is basically my working table. This is where I usually stay most of the time. This is maybe I stay here like half of the day. Yeah. So I have my computer, a printer, and this is also where I eat. And I don't like this. This headset is Sennheiser. This one is good if you want to listen to the music very quiet, if you want to hear just the music. Yeah, because once you put it in your head, you hear only the music and you don't hear the sound outside. And with me, I want to hear the sound outside because I also want to hear my voice, because I always sing along with the music. Yeah. And with having this, I don't hear my voice, so I don't like this. So I still prefer this one. I still prefer the iPhone, because it's good. Yeah, this one is the same like the Beats that I show you before. Yeah, you don't hear the sound outside. So if you want a very quiet me listening to music, this one is good. This is Sennheiser 4.2. Nice, good for you if you like it. Yeah. And what else? I bought that $123. And you know, I checked in eBay, it's only $73. Yeah, the cheapest is $73. The rest are the same, $123, and some are more expensive. So yeah, if you want to buy something, always check first online, eBay, or you know, things like that. Basically they are the same, just they are the same. This printer, yeah, not very useful, but yeah, because this one is cheap, just $40. So I bought it and I use it once, and for sure I am going to use that in the future. Actually, I bought that because I want to print image on my t-shirt. Yeah, but it's not working properly. Look at this. I've also bought this thing, this t-shirt transfer paper. Yeah, so basically you just print an image from the computer with this paper, and then transfer it to the t-shirt by pressing the iron. Yeah, and it's going to transfer to the t-shirt or any shirt you want. Yeah, but the result is not really good. Yeah, so yeah, not good, but it's okay. It's experience. And this one, this is my camera. Yeah, I bought it in Dubai and I have it with me until now. So I have no plan of buying new one because I'm not really using this camera. Yeah, just set up there, just a props. There is nothing much in the kitchen, just a mess, because I just had my like a lunch dinner, and I eat, and I will clean that later. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, also this book, I don't like this book. I bought that one is $15. It says how to be awesome every day. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, because you know, when I come in this apartment, this is a fully furnished apartment, so I don't really need to buy any appliance because everything is provided already, which is nice. And you will also notice that I don't have any Xbox or PSP or any gaming console because I don't play games. Yeah, when I was young, I didn't able to play games because you know, I'm shy. My cousin, I live in the house of my cousin. They have they have a gaming console, but I am just watching, and yeah, I didn't able to play games. Yeah, yeah, this is why I'm very minimalistic, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't have much things. Yeah, I know some people like yeah, they buy everything they wanted, but me, all the things that I'm buying is just related to, you know, making videos, something like that. Yeah, yeah, that's the charger for my electric bike. Yeah, because I forgot to charge this bike last night. Hey guys, I am on my break and I still have 15 minutes my bike. And let me show you the bike of my colleague. Yeah, this is Giant. The brand is Giant and looks expensive. There are so many gear. There's gear here, there's gear here. Yeah, two gear, one, two, and there are some small details here. Yeah, what is this? So as you can see, those two ladies, they are Filipina, and we had a chat. I didn't able to show you. They tried my bike. Nice. Yeah, mate. I just had my coffee on that side, and there are two Filipina that comes to me, and they try my bike, and now I am going home.